Tanong para sa magkapatid. Sino ang panganay?
If I was you, I'd wanna be me.
Sino ang bunso?
I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect.
Sino ang pinakamatangkad?
Laman ng passenger seat, empty room.
Sino ang pinakamaliit? Sino ang pinakamaarte?
See me in the spotlight, ooh, whatever you're got.
Sino ang palautos?
Thing I told you that I never would, told you I changed.
Sino ang kuripot?
When the lights start flashing like a photo booth.
Sino ang pinakatamad?
Now watch me with a hey, now watch me nay.
Sino ang pinakapasaway?
Baka masaway.
Sino ang laging nagsusumbong kay mama?
Kaya isang tawag.
Tanong para